You finally want to become a profitable trader? Then welcome. Let's get straight to the point, but in a structured way. This isn't a video to watch casually while eating or showering. Sit down and focus, because your money deserves your attention. Step 1. Define your goal. Do you want to actively trade every day, or just hold some crypto long-term and hope it grows? If your goal is to actively trade, to place real positions, bet on rising and falling markets, you need to know what kind of trader you want to be. 3 main trading styles: scalping, very short-term trades, 1 to 15-minute time frames. You're in and out fast, high focus, quick decisions. Day trading. You open and close trades within the same day. Typical time frames, 30 minutes to 1 hour. Less fast-paced than scalping, but still requires daily screen time. Swing trading. You hold trades for days or weeks. Perfect if you have a full-time job and can't monitor charts all day. Think about your lifestyle. If you work 9 to 5, scalping probably isn't for you. Step 2. Take action. Don't just sit and plan forever. Create your exchange account today. Deposit a small amount, even $100. Don't trade with it yet. Just the act of depositing will push you mentally to take trading seriously. If you don't have $100 to spare, sorry, you probably shouldn't trade. You need capital to make capital. Which exchange should you use? You can use whichever you like, but I personally trade on Bitunix, and if you sign up with my link, you get massive fee discounts, 20% deposit bonus. For example, if you deposit $100, you get $20 extra. If you deposit $2,000, you get $400 free. Bitunix also offers full proof of funds, so your money is safe and transparent. It's not like FTX, where billions just disappeared. For long-term holding, I recommend a hardware wallet like a Ledger. But for active trading, Bitunix is perfect, especially for beginners in 2025. Link is in the description. Step 3. Learn and apply. Don't randomly open trades. Don't just guess. Study actual strategies. Either develop your own or test a proven one. Make rules. When will you enter a trade? Where do you place your stop loss? How do you take profits? Backtest everything. Log your trades. Check your real profits and losses after fees, because fees matter. And again, using my link helps reduce them. Once your strategy works in backtesting, try it in paper trading demo mode for a few days. Final tip, take this seriously. Don't just watch tutorials, study them. Write things down, track your progress. And if you're ready to get started, use the exchange I recommend. You'll save on fees, get a bonus, and start with an edge.